Hi folks! Today I would like to introduce you to the intellectual property right. First of all, intellectual property rights are the legal property rights due to the creation by artists or commercial. Artistic work like illust, design, music, graphics, phrases, symbol, and etc. cannot be used by another person without any permission. There are two categories, which are industrial property and copyright. Industrial property includes inventions, trademarks, industrial design, and geographic indication of source. Copyright includes novels, poems, plays, films, music, artwork. Industrial property. These are the rights due to industry ideas for others not to copy or steal ideas. And there are three types, which are patent, trademark, and industrial design right. Patents are for new, useful, non-obvious inventions. The ideas and solutions of inventions are protected. People could not copy the invention under this rule, and this is used at industrial commercial purposes. Also, even a person who makes the same invention independently, without copying or being aware of the first inventor's work, must obtain authorization before they can explore it. Trademarks are for products and marketing, and is a sign for preventing confusion of marketing products. Industrial design right. This protects the form, appearance, style, or design of an object. Copyright. It is known as author's rights. It protects only the form of expression of an idea, not the ideas in themselves. For example, the arrangement of words, musical notes, colors, and shapes are protected. Copyright laws protect the owner's property rights from people who copy or take and use the form of the original work of the author. And in copyright, there are three types: reproduction, distribution, and rental. Reproduction. This prevents others from copying their work without author authorization. It is the legal basis for many forms of exploitation of protected works. For example, using reproduction books by publishers or manufactured by a record producer of compact discs containing records of musical work containing protection from a person copying it. Distribution. This allows transferring ownership to another person. For example, when a copyright owner of a book transfers or sells ownership of the copy of the book, the owner of the copy of the book may give the book away or resell it without the copyright owner's permission. Rental. It is the right to authorize rent copies of work, for example, music and sounds. Duration. The duration exists as the copyright owners exist. It begins from the moment when the work is created, and it continues sometime after the owner's death. Ownership. Ownership of the copyright is the person who created the work. In copyright, owners are allowed to abandon their rights. The owner may post the copyright-protected material on the internet and leave it free for the others to use it or adapt it. Licensing. Licensing is where people have permission to use the copyright-protected work. All owners of the copyright work have it, and owners are allowed for a third party to carry out certain acts covered by the owner's right for a specific period and purpose. Thank you. I hope you learned about intellectual property rights. Now remember folks, please don't take out or steal any artwork from people's blogs or websites without any permission. As an artist, I wouldn't appreciate people stealing people's work and displaying it as their work. Thank you.